Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to show how to find the value of x where 9 to the power x is equal to 900, or this 9 we can write this as 3 square. This is 9 and whole to the power of this x is equal to right side, this is 900, or according to exponential formula, a to the power m whole to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m times n. So applying this formula, we can write left side as 3 to the power of this 2 times x. This is twice x is equal to right side is 900. Now taking log to the both side, we can write log of this 3 to the power twice x is equal to right side, this is log of 900, or applying formula log a to the power b is equal to b times log of a. So applying this formula, we get this twice x times log of 3. Log of 3 is equal to this log of this 900. We can write this as 9 times 100. So 9 is 3 square. This is 9 times 100. 100 is 4 times 25. 4 is 2 square. This is 4 and 25 is 5 square. So the prime factor of 900 is 3 to the power 2 times 2 to the power 2 times 5 to the power 2. Or left side, this is twice x times log of 3 is equal to, applying formula log a times b times c is equal to log of a plus log of b plus log of c. So applying this formula, we can write log of this 3 square plus log of 2 square. So log of 2 square plus log of 5 square. Log of 5 square. Or left side, this is twice x log of 3 is equal to, applying formula log a to the power b is equal to b times log of a. So we can write this 2 times log of 3. Log of 3 plus, similarly applying this formula again, we can write this 2 times log of 2. Log of 2 plus, applying this formula again, this 2 times log of 5. Log of 5. Now divided both side by 2 times log of 3, we can write left side this twice x log of 3 divided by 2 times log of 3 is equal to right side, this is 2 times log of 3 divided by this 2 times log of 3 plus this term 2 times log of 2 divided by 2 times log of 3 plus last term 2 times log of 5, 2 times log of 5 divided by 2 times log of 3, 2 times log of 3, or this log of 3 and log of 3 will cancel, this 2 and this 2 will cancel, and it will get the value of x is equal to, here 2 times log of 3 divided by 2 times log of 3, both of this will cancel and remain 1. So this will be 1, plus this 2 and this 2 will cancel, and it will be log of 2 divided by log of 3, plus here this 2 and this 2 will cancel, and it will be log of 5 divided by log of 3. So the value of x is equal to this 1 plus, applying formula, log of a divided by log of b is equal to log of b base of a. So applying this formula, log of this 3 base of this 2, plus similarly applying this formula again here, we can write log of this 3 base of this 5. And this is the solution of our given equation. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.